Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. In this video, you will follow a short and simple story about two friends, Ken and Mina, who are traveling abroad. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to the story and try to find the answer. This will help you understand English more easily and naturally. So here is today's question. What should you do when you enter a restaurant and see this sign? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's start the video.
Mina, we're finally here. I can't believe we're really in another country.
I know. Look at the street. Everything is so different from Japan. The buildings, the signs, the people.
The air even smells different. I love it. This is our first trip abroad together.
Yes, it's so exciting. But to be honest, I'm a little worried.
Worried? About what?
Well, my English is not so good, and I don't know the rules here. Like, what's the right way to eat at a restaurant? What if I do something wrong?
I understand how you feel. I'm a little nervous too, actually. But I think we'll be fine. We can learn together.
You're nervous too? That makes me feel a little better.
Of course. But hey, are you hungry? I'm really hungry after that long flight.
Yes, I'm starving. Where should we eat?
I saw a really nice restaurant near our hotel when we arrived. It looked popular. A lot of people were going in and out.
Okay, let's just try it. Even if we make a mistake, it's okay, right?
Exactly. Let's go. Look, it's right there. Are you ready?
I think so. Let's do this. Oh, there's an empty table over there by the wall. Should we just go and sit down?
Wait a second. I think we should wait here first. I feel like maybe someone will come to show us our table.
Oh, you're right. Look, there's a sign near the door. It says, "Please wait to be seated."
So we can't choose our own table. Good thing we didn't just sit down.
Yes, that would have been embarrassing. Oh, someone is coming now.
Hi, good evening. Table for two, please.
She's taking us to a table by the window. That's a nice spot.
Great. Let's sit down. Okay, so we're here. Now what? Where is the waiter?
Nobody is coming to take our order yet. It's been a couple of minutes already.
That's strange. Should we raise our hand or call someone?
Let's wait a little more. Depending on the country, waiters may not come to your table right away. It's often normal to wait a few minutes.
Oh, really? In Japan, the staff comes to your table almost immediately. That's very different.
Yes, it is different, but they will come when they're ready. We don't need to worry.
Okay, while we wait, let's look around. Wow, the people at the next table are talking really loudly and laughing a lot.
Yes, and the table behind us too. This restaurant is not quiet at all. But you know what? In many Western countries, it's quite normal for restaurants to be lively and a little noisy. If a restaurant is too quiet, it can actually feel strange.
That's interesting. In Japan, we try to keep our voices down in restaurants.
That's true. But I actually like this atmosphere. It feels warm and comfortable. I feel more relaxed because it's not too quiet.
You're right. I feel less nervous now too.
Oh, the waiter is finally coming to our table. Let's look at the menu quickly.
Wait, there are so many things on this menu. I haven't decided what I want to eat yet.
Me neither. Do we have to order everything right now? The food, the drinks, everything at once?
No, don't worry. At most restaurants abroad, you can order step by step. You don't have to decide everything at once. Let's just order drinks first. This is good to remember.
Oh, that's great. That takes the pressure off. Okay, I'll have a beer. What about you, Mina?
I think I'll have water. Excuse me, can we have 1 beer and 1 water, please?
Oh, wait, Mina. She's asking us something. She said still or sparkling.
Oh, she's asking if I want still water or sparkling water. Still water, please. You know, Ken, I should tell you something. Water is not free here.
What? We have to pay for water? In Japan, water is always free at restaurants.
I know, but in some countries, especially in Europe, water at restaurants costs money. Tap water is sometimes free, but it depends on the country and the restaurant.
Good to know. I would have been surprised when I saw the bill.
Right? Oh, and there's one more important thing I need to do. I have to tell the waiter about my allergy.
Oh, that's right. You have a nut allergy.
Yes. Excuse me, I have a nut allergy. Could you please check if any of your dishes contain nuts?
Is it really that important to tell them every time?
Absolutely. You should always tell the restaurant about your allergies. You never know what might be in the food. This is important to remember, no matter where you eat.
That makes sense. Better safe than sorry. What did the waiter say?
She said she'll check with the kitchen and let us know. She was very helpful.
Great. Okay, let's take our time and look at the food menu now. We ordered our food about 20 minutes ago. It's still not here. Is everything okay?
Don't worry, Ken. Depending on the restaurant and the country, food can take a lot longer to come out than in Japan. Waiting 30 minutes or even longer is not unusual.
30 minutes? That's a long time. In Japan, food usually comes out in about 10 minutes at most restaurants.
I know, Japan is very fast. But here, the kitchen cooks everything fresh. They take their time to make each dish carefully. That's why it takes longer.
That actually sounds nice. Fresh food is always better.
Exactly. And you know, waiting is actually part of the dining experience in many places. It's a time to relax and enjoy your company.
I see. Look at that couple over there. They've been talking and laughing for a long time. They look like they're having a wonderful time.
See? Nobody is in a hurry. Everyone is enjoying the moment.
You're right. I should just relax and enjoy talking with you. By the way, this reminds me, when did this bread get here? I didn't notice the waiter bring it.
I think it came while we were talking. It looks really fresh and delicious.
Let's eat it. Oh wait, is this bread free or do we have to pay for it?
That's a good question, and this is something useful to know. In some countries, the bread on the table is free, but in others, they charge you for it. It really depends on the restaurant.
So we should ask the waiter before we eat it, right?
Yes, that's a smart idea. If you're not sure, just ask. Oh look, here comes our food.
Finally. Wow, this looks incredible.
It really does. Oh, and I asked about the bread. The waiter said it's free here, so let's enjoy it with our meal.
Great news. The wait was definitely worth it. This food looks amazing.
This is so delicious. I'm really glad we decided to come here.
The food is amazing. This is one of the best meals I've ever had. And the atmosphere is so warm and friendly.
Oh, look, the waiter is coming to our table again.
Again? Did we do something wrong?
She's smiling, though. No, we didn't do anything wrong. She just asked, how is everything? In some countries, especially in North America, waiters often check on you during the meal to make sure you're enjoying the food.
Oh, that's nice of them. What should I say back?
You can just say, everything is great, thank you, or it's delicious, thank you. Something simple like that is perfect. This is a useful phrase to know.
Okay, let me try. Everything is great, thank you.
Perfect. See how she smiled? She looked happy to hear that.
That was much easier than I expected. I was so worried about my English, but you just need simple words.
Exactly. You don't need to speak perfect English. Being polite and friendly is what matters most.
I feel so much more comfortable now. At the beginning of this dinner, I was really nervous, but now I'm just having a great time.
Me too. Honestly, eating at a restaurant abroad is much easier than I thought it would be. The people here have all been so kind and patient.
Right? I was so scared of making mistakes, but even when we didn't know something, the staff helped us.
That's true. Oh, look at this dessert menu. Everything looks so good. Should we order something sweet?
Sure, we're on vacation, so why not? I'll have the chocolate cake. What about you?
That sounds perfect. I'll have the same. Excuse me, 2 chocolate cakes, please.
That was an incredible meal, but I think I ordered too much food. I can't finish this last piece of cake.
Me neither. I still have some pasta left on my plate too. What should we do with the leftovers?
Should we just leave it on the table? I feel really bad about wasting food, though.
You don't have to leave it. In many countries, taking your leftover food home is very common. It's not embarrassing at all.
Really? That's good to know. How do I ask?
You can say, "Can I get a box for this, please?" Or, "Can we take this to go?" These are useful phrases to remember.
Okay, let me try. Excuse me, can we get a box for these, please? Mina, she said of course. See? Easy.
I told you. Okay, so now let's pay. Should we pay here at the table?
Good question. Where do we go?
Actually, in some countries, you don't pay at the table. You go to the register near the door to pay. It depends on the restaurant, so it's always good to ask.
Okay, let's ask then. Excuse me, where do we pay?
She said we can pay at the register near the entrance. Let's go.
Wait, Mina, what about the tip? Should we leave a tip?
Good question. In some countries, like the United States, it is customary to leave a tip for the waiter. A common guideline is about 15 to 20% of the total bill.
15 to 20%? That's more than I expected.
I know it sounds like a lot, but in those countries, tips are an important part of the staff's income. Tipping culture is different in every country, so it's good to check before you go.
I understand. How much should we leave today?
I think about 15% is good for today. The service was really nice.
Okay, I'll add the tip when I pay. The way you add a tip can be different at each place, so I'll ask at the register.
That's a great idea. If you're not sure, just ask. They'll help you.
All done. I just told them, and they helped me add the tip. That was easy.
See? Nothing to be afraid of. What a wonderful dinner. I was so nervous before we came in, but everything turned out great.
It really was great. The food was delicious, and the staff were so kind and helpful.
I think the key is knowing a few things before you go. If you know the basics, you don't need to worry so much.
That's so true. Like knowing that water might not be free, or that tipping is common in some countries, or that you can take your food home. Those little things make a big difference.
Exactly. And remember, it's okay to take your time. Nobody will rush you. The whole experience is about enjoying good food and good company.
I agree. Eating in a restaurant abroad is not scary at all. It's actually one of the best parts of traveling.
I can't wait to try another restaurant tomorrow.
Me too. But first, let's go sightseeing. There's so much to see in this city.
Yes, let's go. Our adventure is just beginning.
How was it? I hope this video helped you feel more comfortable with English. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What should you do when you enter a restaurant and see this sign? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even a short answer is okay. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more effectively. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with practical tips for travel and daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.